Building powerful AI is hard. Making sure it does what we actually want, that might be even harder. This is called the alignment problem. AI does what you tell it to do, not necessarily what you mean for it to do. And that gap between the literal instruction and the actual intent, that's where things get dangerous. Here's the classic example. Tell an AI, make as many paperclips as possible. Seems harmless, but if that AI is powerful enough and takes the goal literally, it converts every available resource into paperclips. Metal, electricity, eventually, things we kind of need. The goal was technically achieved. The outcome was a disaster. And you don't have to go to sci-fi to see it. Social media algorithms, for example, were told to maximize engagement. And they did, by pushing outrage and division, because that's what kept people scrolling. Goal achieved, but not what anyone wanted. So here are a few examples of what researchers are actually doing about it. First one, RLHF. Humans rate AI outputs so the model learns what good actually means. Number 2, constitutional AI, giving the model a built-in code of ethics to self-check against. Interpretability research, trying to see inside the model so we can catch problems before they ship. Every major AI lab is a team working on this full-time. As AI gets more powerful, especially agents that take autonomous actions, alignment stops being an interesting theory and it becomes the most important engineering problem on the planet. One more video to go. Follow so you don't miss the series finale. This has been Daniel with Cadmus Labs, and thank you for tuning in for our AI Zero to Hero series. Have a great one.